This is really a lot of fun because when I was invited to show my work in Art Basel in Miami Beach in 2019, a famous other artist, Mauricio Catalan, happened to be there at the same time. He's famous for the banana that he sold for $120,000. That morning, he wasn't quite sure how he was going to fill his wall space in Art Basel. So he went to a Latin American breakfast, had his coffee and toast, went to the market right next door, and bought a banana, a piece of duct tape, and stuck it on the wall. That afternoon, somebody came by, ate the banana, and bought it for $120,000. He sold two more like that. So that was my inspiration for this particular piece called Gone Bananas.